Taters. Oh no, the evil white man done struck again. Oh my goodness, we can't even own our own black businesses without him coming on our property and painting deformed swastikas and the Ku Klux Klan and all kind of racial slurs on our property. Listen, I'm going to show you a very disturbing video. But I just asked that you take the children out of the room because this is going to be too extreme for them to watch. We must not show them the evilness of white people. Please, if you are sensitive to bullshit, to racism, I suggest you send the little chillins out of the room and maybe not watch this if you're easily triggered, because this is going to show you how oppressed we are as black people here in America. All right, brace yourself, because this one is going to hurt deep inside our black hearts.
Of a Spring Lake auto repair shop is taking action to stop vandals from damaging vehicles in his lot. These are some photographs of some of the damage at Hainsworth Auto Body and Repair on Lillington Highway. Take a look here. WRAL's Gilbert Bays is live at that location after speaking with the owner. This is an interview you'll only see on WRAL. Gilbert?
Well, Lena, Thomas Hainsworth got in touch with me over the weekend and sent me those pictures you're showing. And here we are standing amongst those cars. There's some graffiti here, and this is a BMW with, I don't know what this is on here, but it shouldn't be on this vehicle right now. The owner, of course, frustrated that this is happening, but more importantly, he just doesn't know why.
I know why.
I'll take you to where they wrote the Ku Klux Klan and the Nazi stuff on.
Not the Ku Klux Klan and the Nazis.
Is frustrated. For the past 3 weeks, someone has been breaking out windows of cars and writing disturbing things on the vehicles at his business.
This one right here, they wrote, "Please leave."
Please leave. They even nice.
Here they bust all the windows out of these, but
someone spray painted a swastika and what Hainsworth describes as a head with 2 eyes and a hood on this vehicle. He says he's been renting the lot from the owner who lives next door for about 2 months. Hainsworth says the vandalism started about a month ago after one of his vehicles was stolen off the lot.
And how long have you been renting it?
about 2.5 months.
And when did it start?
This started about a month ago.
What do you think triggered it?
I don't know. I mean, I'm not bothering anybody. I'm out here just trying to do business.
I know you're just trying to do your black business.
You can hear the frustration in Hainsworth's voice when he talks about what's happening out here on these vehicles. Now, the Spring Lake Police Department is taking this very seriously. They've stepped up patrols in this area. They're asking anyone who knows anything about what's happening, how this stuff's gotten on these vehicles, to get in touch with them.
Such disturbing imagery there.
It is disturbing. When will white people let us make money in peace? But ladies and gentlemen, I come with some good news. They have caught the evil people who did this horrific thing to that brother. And guess what? It's 2 Negroes, of course. You know it's going to be black people. Come on now. Y'all know this was going to be another hate hoax. Oh, my goodness. Now y'all know white people are not going to go in the hood and then paint a deformed swastika. Hold up first. Did y'all see that swastika? Hold on a second. Hold on. Where is that swastika? Here it go. Look at this pitiful swastika. Somebody needs to go to swastika painting school, because this is not a swastika. As a matter of fact, if you put the little dots right here and right here, you will actually have the Hindu symbol, okay? Oh my, dude, you can't even fake being a Nazi correctly. Black folks, I swear. And then what is this? This looks like an upside down ice cream cone, all right? This is supposed to be a Klan member, really? Lord have mercy, these people done lost their minds. Let's read them. Actually, wait a minute. Do we really need to read this? I think there's a video that goes with this, but hold on. I'm gonna read it because it's so delicious when you just read hate hoaxes, all right? This is the second one this week. There are, true story, there's more hate hoaxes than there are hate crimes. Let that sink in, all right? Another hate hoax. Vandals targeted black-owned auto repair shop with racist graffiti, smash up cars. Security footage shows it was 2 black guys, all right? Another day, another hate hoax. Vandals targeted a black-owned auto repair shop in Spring Lake, North Kakalaki with racist graffiti and smashed up cars. Security cameras were installed to catch the vandals in action, and it turns out to be 2 black guys. Oh no. Oh, clearly they have been framed by white people. This just can't be. Black people don't do this to each other. I'm gonna call foul. I swear. No. I'm gonna call the NAACP to do a thorough investigation, because clearly there is a white man behind this. It has to be. That's what they keep telling me about Black Lives Matter, I swear. Okay? Security cameras were installed to catch the vandals in action, and it turned out it was 2 black guys. The criminals sprayed paint, swastika symbols, and a KKK hood on the car. Wait a minute. This is not really a swastika. If this is... I swear, if this is the Klan, the jokes write themselves. The jokes write themselves, dude. That is a friendly looking Klansman. All right, and broke car windows. The owner, Dwayne Hainsworth, told WRAL that he gave the security footage to law enforcement. So let's watch the videos. This is going to be so sweet to watch. Okay, hold on, let's watch this.
Less than 24 hours after a business owner installed security cameras, vandals returned to this auto repair shop to do even more.
Ray and Tyrone. I can't believe Ray and Tyrone would do that to that man's business. What a shame. I swear. Where are their daddies?
Damage, but now they're on camera. You can see the 2 men going through vehicles here. WRAL's Gilbert Bays broke this story yesterday. He joins us live at the business in Spring Lake with this new development. Gilbert?
Hey, Lena, photojournalist Mike Joyner and I were here yesterday when those cameras were being installed, and they captured those 2 individuals standing right about here. And it shows them going into this vehicle and kind of rummaging through here. And then let me take you down here, because they also went into this vehicle over here, and the footage shows them pulling this up as well and going through the back of this vehicle right here. The only thing this time around, though, they didn't know that they were being recorded.
See, that's when they first walked up. See,
the owner of this auto repair shop at Spring Lake says this is video of a crime in progress.
There go Tyrone.
Thomas Hainsworth put up security cameras yesterday. He says for the past 3 weekends, someone has been vandalizing vehicles at his lot on Highway 210. Last night, the cameras caught 2 men rummaging through several vehicles. The owner thinks they were trying to steal cars.
Seems like they was trying to, same with this vehicle here. They were trying to hotwire it or something, because you see them looking on their phone, probably trying to find YouTube of how to crank the vehicle. But this, like I said, this one.
YouTube teaches you how to steal cars? Well, don't worry, they're going to juvie. How old are these boys? I don't even know what their ages are, but I don't know if they're juvenile or if they're legal adults. It doesn't matter. When they go into the prison facility, they will learn how to hotwire a car in person. True story, by the way. I'm not joking. They will learn. When they get out, they won't have to look at YouTube. They will basically be taught step by step how to hotwire a car.
Crank that one does, but I guess they couldn't figure out how to do it.
The owner thinks this handsaw and tire tool were used to break glass and scratch car windshields. The graffiti we showed yesterday is still on vehicles, but this is new damage from last night. The owner says the 2 men smashed the driver's side window of this Honda and punched a hole in the back window of this Infiniti. Both vehicles were previously damaged. The investigation and this new video are now in the hands of the Spring Lake Police Department.
And the investigators came out last night, and this could have been some of the evidence right here. We're told that this was inside one of the vehicles, and the individuals were seen on camera actually smoking this blunt right here.
It's called Black and Mild. It is the favorite of the, how shall I say, of the criminal element inside the hood. They love smoking those things, I swear. Basically, you could just take that and take it to the crime lab, and I'm sure they're going to match their saliva to the blunts, basically the butts of those blunts.
The Spring Lake police didn't take this. They did go around and look at some of the vehicles, but we're also told that they did not take any fingerprints on any of the vehicles out here. Lena, coming up at 5:45, we're going to tell you exactly what the police chief in Spring Lake said about why they did not take the fingerprints.
Well, I'll tell you, brother, we don't even have to go watch that video footage. See, when you have overwhelming criminal evidence like that, like a camera, and then they don't have an alibi, and knowing daggone well when they question them, they're going to sing like a birds, okay? They're going to snitch on themselves. Well, you got a confession, so you don't need any more evidence. But, yeah, you know how this goes. I swear. You just knew it had to be, the hate hoax, right? Listen, these things are funny to me because it's like black folks keep wanting to prove that there is this huge boogeyman monster called the white supremacist. And they constantly do things that just own themselves. You know what I'm saying? It's amazing. Like, dude, yo, that Jussie Smollett just started something, I swear. I wish people would stop doing this. And I told you, the only way they're going to stop doing this is unless they get arrested for the hate crime itself. All right. These two, Tyrone and Ray Ray, okay, this Tyrone and this is Ray Ray, they both need to go to jail for hate crimes, not for burglary, not for vandalism, but for burglary, vandalism, theft, and hate crime. All right. It doesn't matter your race if you use hateful symbols, racial slurs to harass and terrorize anyone of any race, including your own, you should go to jail for hate crime. You should be charged for a hate crime, which is a felony. But we don't hold these people accountable. Why would we do that? I mean, how else are they going to claim to be a victim? Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I found this hilarious, but I would love to know what you think in the description box, in the comment box below. Do you also agree that they should be charged with a hate crime, or do you think that we should basically take it easy on them because Tyrone and Ray Ray gonna go to Harvard to be scientists? Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you all next time. Later, taters.